At this point, if you can see the letters, they are all being randomized, meaning they are mixed together. So Abba is now going to arrange them in alphabetical order, from A to B to C up to Z. So Abba, start work. You can start. All right, let's see what Abba can do. Wow, so unfortunately it didn't go up to Z, but it stopped at letter M, and successfully Abba did it excellently.